If you don't see the 0.5 ultra-wide camera option on your Snapchat, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix this issue and how to get the ultra-wide effect. First, open the Play Store or App Store and make sure Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Many times, the ultra-wide option doesn't appear if the app is outdated. If the feature still doesn't show up, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap Settings in the top right corner and scroll down to Support and Feedback. Select Bugs and Suggestions, then tap Report a Bug. Now, choose Camera, tap Select Topic, and select Camera Features. In the message box, type, "My account doesn't have access to the ultra-wide camera feature. Please fix this issue." Then tap Submit. Snapchat usually enables the feature after reviewing your request. As a temporary solution, go back to the Snapchat camera screen. Tap Explore, then tap the search bar and type ultra-wide lens. Select any lens from the results. This doesn't give true 0.5 zoom, but it creates a similar wide-angle effect. And that's it. These are the best ways to get the 0.5 ultra-wide feature on Snapchat. If this video helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Snapchat tips and fixes.